Book Summary: Good to Great by Jim Collins is a transformative book that explores the factors that differentiate great companies from merely good ones. Through extensive research and analysis, Collins identifies key principles and strategies that enable companies to make the leap from good performance to sustained greatness. The book introduces the concept of the hedgehog concept, which encourages companies to focus on what they can be the best at, what they are deeply passionate about, and what drives their economic engine. By aligning these three circles, companies can develop a clear and effective strategy that leads to greatness. Collins emphasizes the importance of leadership and the role of Level 5 leadership. Level 5 leaders combine humility with a fierce determination to achieve the company's goals. They prioritize the success of the organization over personal recognition, creating a culture of collaboration and excellence. The Stockdale paradox is another key principle discussed in the book. Named after Admiral James Stockdale, this concept highlights the importance of confronting the brutal facts of a situation while maintaining unwavering faith in the eventual success of the company. Great companies acknowledge challenges and setbacks while maintaining a long-term perspective. The book also explores the flywheel effect, which represents the cumulative effect of small efforts that build momentum over time. By consistently making incremental improvements, companies can achieve sustainable success and outperform their competitors. Collins contrasts the concept of technology accelerators with catalytic mechanisms. While technology accelerators alone do not guarantee success, catalytic mechanisms are specific processes, systems, or practices that drive desired outcomes. Great companies implement these mechanisms to create a culture of excellence. Good to Great also emphasizes the importance of disciplined decision-making and the culture of discipline. Companies should align their actions with their hedgehog concept and avoid unnecessary distractions or diversification. In conclusion, Good to Great provides a comprehensive roadmap for companies seeking to achieve and sustain greatness. Jim Collins' research-based insights, case studies, and actionable strategies offer valuable guidance for leaders striving to transform their organizations into exceptional performers.